What up? It's your boy I Sleep Too Late, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of people have been asking me about, and that is regarding the Pokemon Showdown custom server. I have a solution for y'all, so just hear me out. A lot of you have been asking about mod files and creating your own custom server with mod files, and some of those things aren't showing up. For example, let's say I have Pure Hackmon's No Nerfs right now. This is my format, and Mewtwo is supposed to have 154 special defense in my format. Well, if I go to Mewtwo, it's still going to show up as 154 special attack and only 90 special defense. Even though the game, when I enter the format and I battle with someone, it will show up as 154 special defense, or the stat will be displayed appropriately based on that base stat spread, right? So what do? Well, the conclusion is that you can't actually change anything about the Pokemon Showdown user interface. It does require a lot of work and a lot of reworking, and it is technically theoretically possible, but for the purposes of like general use, it's really not feasible to alter the generation of, like, to physically change Mewtwo's stat here to display as 154, even though that's actually what's happening in the schema of the database. So I actually have a solution that may not be necessarily ideal for y'all, but it is a solution nonetheless, and that is me promoting my website, hackmons.com. Check it out. It's either hackmons.com or purehackmons.com. Either URL will lead to the same site. You go to that website, you go to Tools, and you go to No Nerfs Team Builder. And this is my own custom team builder setup. So what you have here is, if you scroll all the way down, it's experimental. I haven't really thoroughly tested it, so feel free to test it out. If you have any issues, let me know in the forums or on the Discord, and I will definitely check it out and figure things out. But this is an experimental thing that I'm trying out for the community, where you can upload your own Pokédex TS file, moves, items, and abilities, and make sure that your TypeScript file contains, like, the description that you want to accurately display for abilities, the proper, like, stats on the moves, the proper stats on the Pokemon. Upload all of that and click Apply Mods, and it'll show up correctly on this website. So let's just say, for example, this is defaulting to No Nerfs, by the way, the custom format that I was talking about in this video, in my previous videos, I should say. So let's say I want to build a team. When you click on select Pokemon, it's going to do the same thing that that Pokemon Showdown does. It displays all of these Pokemon. It actually displays in alphabetical order, and you can sort by attacks, right, and all this stuff. So let's go ahead and pick, I don't know, let's go ahead and pick Mega Mewtwo X, and you can give it a nickname. You can go to item here, do Assault Vest. You can give it Drizzle, whatever. I'm just making stuff up at this point, right? And then the moves, it'll also display all the moves that you want and all that stuff, right? It'll show you all this stuff. So then what you do is you add this Pokemon, you add another Pokemon, right? Let's say you want Aerodactyl. And then once you're done with your setup, right, you can go copy to Showdown, and you copy the text from this. It'll be added to your paste bin, or to your clipboard, and then you can go over to Pokemon Showdown. You go to your custom server, and then you can actually import-export. So you go to Teams, and you can import-export the entire team. I don't know where. Oh, upload. You can upload. Yeah, you can upload the entire team via doing this. So you use this team builder. You upload your own files, or if you want to do specifically just the No Nerfs format, which is the format that is official on this website, not an official Nintendo format, but an unofficial format that hackmons.com uses. We have all of the settings correct on this website for you to use, and so you can export it and then just upload it onto Team Builder, and regardless of what it shows up in Showdown's website, it is accurate in hackmons.com, and it will be accurate on the custom server that we are running on the Discord. So if you're interested at all in Pure Hackmon's No Nerfs, feel free to join the Discord. If you have any questions about how to run mods, like mod files and TypeScript and all that stuff, I'm an open book. You can reach out to me on Discord as well. So join the Discord. It is Pure Hack Wants No Nerfs. I will link it in the description of this video. I will also post a link to this website in the description of this video. I hope you all have a great time. I know it's almost the end of the year. So if you're watching this, it's probably 2026 by now, or maybe 2027, depending on how far away you are in the process. But hackwants.com just came out. It's like a new thing that I made. I spent my blood, sweat, and tears on this website. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace out.